Everyone, again. So this time I was just talking and say, "Oh my gosh, I did retrace my slime footmarks." So yeah, I did retrace them. So yeah, but I just need more borax. I got that, and more contact solution. Sorry about that, guys. My camera's gonna fall a bit today. Well, because